What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in the Inland Empire, out in San Bernardino, at a spot that most of you guys probably don't know about. Now let's go check it out. We are checking out the Shoe Palace clearance store. Like I said, most y'all people probably don't know about it unless you live in the Inland Empire. People here seem to know about it. Across from the Inland Center, probably the biggest mall in this area. Got the clearance store. Let's go see what they got. Let's go see what they got. Dang, they do got that super dope wall. They got that wallpaper with all the Jordan cars. That is fire. That's fire. Do got a lot of stuff that we've seen at a bunch of the Shoe Palaces. These are going for $100. The Air More Tempos. Got some mids. Regular price $135. Got these. Okay. The Volts going for $170. The what are these? The Visionaires. Dang, I was hoping some of the stuff would be on sale. Nah, not yet. Jordan's not on sale yet. Brotherhoods. Do got these. Damn, nope, not on sale. But yeah, these are the Griffies. Is this the USA color or something? I don't know. Air Max 97s right here, going for regular price $175. I like the, man, I'm starting to like some of the tumbled leather ones. Like, I've always liked most of these. Up tempos, regular price, $170. Oh, $2 for these. This is a silhouette I've never seen before. What is this? The two trays? I don't know. I've never seen this. Okay, that's here. That's here. They do have some dope stuff here, but none of it's on clearance, man. Kind of disappointing. I do like these. These are fire, but regular price, man. Air Max Plus. Bunch of Air Max Plus, $210 for most of those. Do got a little Adidas section here. I told y'all I'm gonna keep showing you guys these. I still like these a lot. I did have a couple pair of these. And yeah, these are the Forums. Pays tribute to the Lakers and the Inglewood Forum. $95 for those. These are on sale. Stan Smith's going for $40. I feel like this isn't that different from most of the Shoe Palaces because we've seen a lot of these on sale at Shoe Palace. $130 for these Ultra Boost. Like we've seen all these at the Shoe Palaces, man. All white Superstars. Do got some all white Superstars right here. Go for $85. All white Forums right here. All right. Okay, finally Alright, finally seen some sales. Look at that, $150 for these Air Max Plus. Remember, like, some of these used to have resale just a while back. And then the Vapor Max right here, dude. We've seen that at quite a few spots. $120 for the Vapor Max. These are the 2021 Flyknits. That's a hell of a price. We do have a separate women's section. That's the women's Nike. That's a Adidas section right there for the women's. I haven't been here for a while, and it's like kind of the same stuff on sale as most of the Shoe Palace. $50 for these. I don't know if you can see the price tag. $50 for the Fontancas. That is cheaper than the regular Nike outlets. Okay. Got the Air Max 90 with a little bit too much for me. $130. I've not seen this colorway of the Air Max 97. It is patent leather. I've never seen that before. $175 for these. Okay. Nike Zoom Air Fire. This totally reminds me of the Spirit-Ons. It does have Zoom Air in the back. Probably pretty comfy. Okay, well, $50 for this? Okay. Ooh, these are dope, dude. These are fired. $80 for these. These are with the Python. Yeah, the Air Max 97 Pythons. Man, this is the small size. It is a size 6. I guarantee you all the men's sizes are gone because these would be fire in a men's size. That'd be dope. Oh, I thought this was the Adidas section. This is like kind of a mishmash. $40 for these Forums. Okay. NMD's going for $100 right here. Ultra Boost 2021's going for $120. NMD's going for $50. That's the cheapest NMDs I've ever seen. That part's a little gaudy, but dude, you could spray paint over that easy, dude. $50? Are you serious? That's just almost free. Kayano 22s. Remember, the Kayanos are like their premier running shoe. This is from a while back though. But yeah, man, $50. That's crazy. And we knew these would go on sale. $50. What $40 for these. What was the original price for these? I don't know. I guess we are seeing some sales here. The what is this? The Sacre normally $50 for the sports bras, down to $10. That's what it seems like, right? Bunch of smalls though. Is it all small? Yeah, $10 price tag right there. They're all smalls. Oh, there's a larger here. Okay, $10, not bad. Then they got a couple other sizes and colors on the bottom. They got tights here. Tights, yoga pants, I don't know, whatever for y'all women. Got different sizes. Got mediums. This stuff seems to be all small, extra large. This stuff seems to be all small, extra small. And then right here, do got mediums and got some bigger sizes. Okay, $10. DMX clothing right here. These are on sale. Let's check out the price. It says $28. I have a feeling a lot of this stuff. Oh, $10. $10 for these shirts. A lot of them are not tagged. These are mediums. Yeah, DMX shirts for $10. Got the white ones as well. Okay. Got matching pants. Those say 10 or under, so seems like all this stuff is $10, dude. Okay. More DMX shirts right here. All $10. Not bad. Medium shirts. Is that all the sizing they got? Medium. They got some larges for these. And they got more size right here, larges and stuff. So they got different sizes. Puma apparel, $40 for this fleece jacket, normally $80. They got that on sale as well. These are all larges right here. That's the only size I have on this one, large. Marathon continues. Fleece shorts. It says $50. I would ask the price because it seems like all of this stuff is on sale. Godfather apparel also on sale. I think these hoodies are going for $20 because there's a little tag on here. It says $20. I don't know about the sizing though. This is a small. Yeah, $20 right there. That's a small. This is a small. That's a medium. Medium. So small and mediums. They got those. Top Gun hoodies. These are going for $25. $25. Does have the OG stuff in the back. $25. If it was cheaper, I'd probably go for my kiddo. Yeah, I'm good. Just look. All right, they got a little Converse section right here. $40 for these bad boys. These are based off the Chuck 70s, so these are like usually $90. NBA Jam one right here. These are going for $30. These are based off the Chuck 70 as well. And these are based off the regular Chucks, I believe. Oh no, these are Chuck 70s as well. $80 for these. I don't know the original price. $80 for this one. It's not too bad. Normally, what? $140, I think. No, okay. They do have regular stuff, but just regular price too. I am still searching. They do have the Los Angeles Jordan shirts that matches that. You go for $20. Okay, they got a bunch of different sizes. Large. I think they have a double XL back here. Oh, 1XL back there. And then they have smaller sizes as well. So they got some steals. Some steals for $20. Okay. Like this stuff right here is not on sale though. These are $70 for these. Got a black one. I have the gray one of those. They got the red one and the black one, but they are all regular price, man. Regular price for going for $70 a piece. Oh wait, I got the red one. I got the red one and the gray one. I got both of those for like $20 a piece. Actually, the red one was $12. I got this for $12. I got the Bruce Lee merch right here. I don't see any sales tags on the Bruce Lee ones though. So they got get $25 for this shirt. Normally $30, so slight sale, nothing too crazy. So yeah, they got some stuff. Not as crazy as I was hoping. But yeah, I think we're done. Let's wrap it up. All right, guys. Yeah, we've been here a few times. We've seen like way better deals. Today, just not much. They do have certain things. If you happen to be in the area, it might be worth a stop. Definitely not worth driving if you're from LA or from one of the other surrounding places. But I had to look for you guys. But I do appreciate each and every you guys that did make it till the very end. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty videos coming. Checking out random spots like this. yeah, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Wish I had time to go to the Inland Center.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto West Orange Showroom.
Damn, Google. Shut up, Google Maps.